In this video, we'll show you how to change the air filter on your Ford F-150. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. You can see the airbox, which is located to the center of the engine compartment. Unclip both holding latches on the filter tray and pull on it. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. Remove the filter from its tray. You can order the air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Place the filter in its tray. Then put the tray back in its slot. Finally, lock the tray with the two latches. Operation complete.